In this video, we are going to scrape businesses from Google Maps, and then we are going to be using that data to call real humans from those businesses using AI. This is going to be a complete fictional play, so we are going to be using ChatGPT to make the whole role play. And for the role play, we are going to be selling our services to local car repair shops. So let's demo it and let's see how it goes. Okay, so to recap, this is what we are going to be doing. So we are going to be automatically scraping businesses from Google. From those businesses, we scrape their phone numbers, and then we are going to be using Retell AI to use an agent that we are going to be pulling right now very quickly to call those people. And we are going to try to sell our services, which is going to be like an automated streamlined systems, right? Where they can book appointments, their customers, do follow-ups, reminders, ask ChatGPT to give me some information, and this is what it came up with. So what's my target audience? And it gave me a knowledge base and also a system prompt, right? So as you can see, we already put this in our conversational AI that we are going to be using for calling. And basically, it's very basic. So your Grace, an advanced conversational AI agent representing Motofix Pro Systems, a North Carolina-based company. So we are going to be calling businesses from North Carolina. Very, very, very simple. And then we also have a knowledge base that we've put together. And this is what I show you here. So basically, we copy and paste everything here. We give some context to the AI and like some conversations that normally are ideal ones. So what we're going to be focusing here is to try to get the email and send more information. But you could use this to book appointments, do really a lot of different things. Okay, so let's go and check the flow. So this is how the flow it's looking. It's very simple. Also, if you want this flow for free, just make a comment below and I'll send it your way for free. So basically what we're doing, we are using the API from Google, and we're giving a search query here. So we put car repair shop because this is what we are looking for in Google Maps. And then we just simply put the place that we are targeting, which is North Carolina in the USA. So right now, this is very, very simple, but you could build an interface on top. Also, you could include pagination to make sure that you scrape all of the local car repair shops in North Carolina. But just to make it super easy for the video and to make it short, I put it like this, and we're going to be scraping 20 businesses, and we are going to be calling the 20 of them. So what we do, we scrape the business, then we also use another API from Google, but in this case, the place ID, which is coming from the call before, we use it to scrape the phone number, the website, and the name. I think we only need the phone number and the name, but I also put the website in case a lead comes qualified, and then we can push that data to the CRM, and we can always have more information, right? The more the better. And then finally, what we are going to be doing is using Retell AI to call the person and try to sell the services. So I'm gonna hit play, and yeah, we are gonna call right now. Okay, as you can see, the flow has been executed now, and we have 20 phones which we scraped, and also 20 phones were made by Retell AI or agent, in this case, Grace. So let's go and check the logs. Let's see if we find something interesting. So here are all the logs that I can see. And actually, I was checking one, and to be honest, some of them were successful. As you can see, like 2 minutes, and I have like 1 minute and a half, 1 minute 7. This one, it's a little bit fake because it was, I think, hung up, but for some reason the agent just stayed there on the line. But this one I found very interesting. Even if we were not able to sell anything, what I want you to hear is the interaction, how clean it is, and how I think not even for a second the other person is realizing that it's talking with an AI. So I'm going to open it and let's listen to it.
Thank you for calling Ralph's Tune Up. This is Miranda. How may I help you?
Hi, Miranda. This is Grace from Motofix Pro Systems. I hope you're doing well. Is now a good time to have a quick chat?
I am. What are we chatting about?
I'm reaching out because we work with car repair shops like Ralph's Tune Up to help streamline operations and grow the business. We offer tools like automated booking systems, customer follow-up tools, and reputation management to make things run smoother and save you time. I'd love to understand if there are any challenges you're facing in managing bookings, keeping customers coming back, or building your shop's reputation. Does any of that sound like something you'd want to improve?
We have a shop management system right now that is working just fine for us.
That's great to hear, Miranda. It's always a plus when a system is working well. Out of curiosity, does your current system handle things like automatically following up with customers after their visit or helping you manage
Yes,
online reviews?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. They ask for reviews. They manage our appointments. They do follow-ups. They do appointment reminders.
It sounds like you've got a solid system in place, Miranda, which is fantastic. Many of our clients were in a similar position before they started working with us, but they found that our tools added extra value by automating more processes and helping them attract even more customers. For example, one garage in Birmingham increased repeat business by 30% in just 6 months using our MOT reminder system. Would you be open to a quick 15-minute demo next week to see if there's anything we could add to make your system even more effective?
I'm not the one to make that call, and my boss man is not here this afternoon. But honestly, we just switched to this system about 2 months ago, and it ties in with our shop management system and our system that does all of our appointment reminders and stuff. They tie in together. I don't think he's looking to make that change anytime soon.
That makes perfect sense, Miranda. If you've just switched systems and everything's working well, it's understandable that your boss wouldn't be looking to make changes right now. How about this? Would it be all right if I sent over some information about MotoFix Pro systems? That way, if you ever find
Sure.
yourself looking for additional tools or enhancements down the line, you'll have us in mind.
That's fine.
Thanks, Miranda. I'll send over some information about MotoFix Pro systems for you and your boss to review. If you have any questions in the future, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
So yeah, as you can see, it was like pretty smooth. I think at not even for the slightest second she suspected that it was an AI. With some fine tunes, like you could take this to the next level, and basically you could have like an AI calling for your business, trying to generate more revenue, working for you 24/7. Like during working hours. And it's very, very cheap compared to a human being. So if you compare like 1 hour of this AI agent calling, it's like $8. If you see how much you pay actually for a native English speaker to make these calls, it's so much more. It's not even comparable. It's like even painful to compare. So yeah, there were also some other calls, and even some of them managed to get the email and send some information. But I thought this was an interesting one, right? Because it was a good length. It was 2 minutes and a half, and you can see it was quite smooth, and the other person actually never suspected this was an AI. So I hope you like the video. I hope you really start to imagine the possibilities that these kind of things are gonna be having during 2025. The huge disruptions that are yet to come. And if you're not applying this for your businesses right now, you're missing a big opportunity right now. So if you're interested in applying something similar like this to your business, contact me and let's schedule a call.